Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a product unboxing and review of the outdoor speaker with removable stack by iLive. So, this is something that I got for Christmas. I haven't really looked into it too much yet. Special party pack. Let's see. So, oh yeah, and it's solar powered. So, I've got a couple of just generic pieces of paper in there, raffle type thing. These right here that stick into the ground. So if you're doing something outdoors, I guess, that's what that could be used for. Right next to me over here I have an echo setup so I could play some music. I'll get that set up real quick. Well, I guess we could actually, let's go over a little bit closer. So I'm just going to be using the auxiliary. I could open this. And then it uses like a, I don't know the name of this type of USB offhand. It's not a Type-C, it's a mini or micro USB. So you push and hold to power it on.
Power on. Auxiliary.
It looks like you can connect the speakers. And it's got volume up and volume down, and it is Bluetooth, so you don't have to use an auxiliary. I'm just doing this just for the video, just to make it kind of quicker. Alexa, play Speed Run by Joseph Reese.
Here's Speed Run by Joseph Reese on Amazon Music.
This song doesn't really have a lot of bass to it or anything, so it's kind of hard to tell with the bass. Alexa, pause. So I guess there you have it. Kind of gives you a little bit of sound quality. I was having issues earlier. This was actually unboxed a little bit earlier, right before filming, just so I could kind of see like some preliminary stuff, but I'm not sure if it's the cord itself, the auxiliary cord, or if it's the speaker, but there was some static coming through earlier, and it would switch between the auxiliary and off the auxiliary. It would try to switch to Bluetooth even though there was no Bluetooth connected. Again, I'm not sure if that was the cord or if it's the speaker itself. I'll try to post in the description for an update on that. Not a bad speaker. So there you have it, the iLive outdoor Bluetooth speaker with removable stakes, 2-pack, solar powered, by iLive. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.